In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to grow as a photographer. Step number 1, go on Instagram and find your favorite photographer. For me, it's Daniel Ernst. He's a landscape photographer and I admire his work. So I scroll through his feed and I want to save some pictures I really like. So let's go through his feed and find something I like, something like this. And now I'm going to like it and save the picture. If I hold the save button, I can save it to a folder. So I created already mine, it's Inspo. So I save it to my Inspo folder and now I can look at it later on if I'm out in the field. Step 3 is to recreate the shots you really like. So you go out, you look at your folder and you want to recreate those shots you have saved. That way you will develop an eye as a photographer and you will notice what is pleasing to the eye and what's not. Step 4 is to repeat this process over and over to get better. And now it's your turn.